What is good, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be installing something that we need for safety measures. You know what I mean? Plus, with me gutting the rear, you guys already know that, well, I can't be saying stuff like that. Like, you guys should already... No. I have my first gridlife event in March, end of March. And if you gut, one of the class rules is, if you gut the rear of your car, you need to have something in place of while you're gutting it. What we're going to be installing today, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that right there is an auto power roll bar. So we're going to be installing the roll bar today. Should be a fairly simple process. I did it in the Integra not too long ago. It's only a total of like 16 bolts, so it's nothing too much. But let's go ahead, get the intro rolled up, and let's get it on. My car's already pretty much gutted, so I mean, I ain't really gotta do much besides remove the rear carpet. But I'm also gonna have to drill, drill, Jesus. What the hell? Ain't that bottom? I'm also gonna have to cut some squares out in the carpet, so when I do, I'm planning on retaining my carpet. I wanna cut out so where like, you won't even know like the bars in it. I don't like explaining things, but you guys know what I mean, bro. I suffer from, dumbassery, so you know it is what it is. But check out my new cage. I bought this from Evasive Motorsports because they usually exist, so that's pretty much it. It's really simple to bolt this thing on. You have a total of 3 here. Oh damn, this won't be much simpler. It's a total of 12 bolts, 3, 6, 9, 12, and then you have, well, a total of 14 because you got one there to hold these 2 bars in. These bars attaches to the main hoop, and then that's it. You just gotta slide it in there, get the mock up all the holes, probably drill right through. Honestly, that's one honestly part I might do. It's a simple install. So let's go ahead and fish the roll bar in, and then from there we will go with the mock up stuff. Remove the 2 bars. I just had it up for purposes, but remove the 2 bars, put the cage in. And then, you know, just get to work, playboy. See, the cool thing, well, the bad thing would be is like, oh, what if I wanted to drill through my carpet? That shit gonna catch fire, and we can't do that. You hear me? So the best thing we're gonna have to do is have it mocked up where we're gonna want it. Drill out, well, mark it up on here because it's gonna sit down right here. So this is gonna come more down. It's gonna sit somewhere in between this one right here, and same thing over there when we put the legs on. But yeah, look at that. Close the door. Oh, you can't even notice it, but once the car is painted white, you will see more of it. I don't want to paint the roll bar white or anything like that. I want to keep it black because if it gets messed up, it gets messed up, and if I want to take it out and like powder coat it, I can do that. But I'm just gonna keep it black for now. It just looks pretty cool, pretty standard, nothing too crazy.
What you doing, babe?
Why is it such a
It's a simple one.
Huh?
It's a simple one.
What, the cage? Yeah, shit, it's only literally 12 bolts. There we go.
Oh my god.
You guys see his hair? He looks like the little guy from Mario.
Look at baby girl go. Damn, you a little mechanic now, girl? You know that movie Born to Racer, that garbage movie we watched the other night? Yeah, that's what's going on right now, playboy. But pretty much got it where we want it. I had to push up the carpet, which I highly recommend you do if you do buy an 8th gen one, well, any car, you would have to push up the carpet and then do your majig. But what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But basically, you want this as flush as possible against the wheel well right here. You want it as flush as possible, so that's what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna mark them, and then I'm thinking I'm just gonna drill like right here and then put the plate on the back side, and that's it, bro. I don't think I'm gonna take it back out. I think that's the easiest way for me to do it, is drill it like that. Drill it like that, playboy. And then gonna need the car and put the brackets and everything in, and then we are money bag, yo. That's it, dog. Pretty damn simple, self-explanatory anymore. Pull you in.
Hi. Say hi to the camera.
That went in like money. Perfectly drilled holes, my boy. Yes, sir. About leaving the video off there, but I can't do y'all like that, man. That's been, you know, I can't do my peoples like that. So something have forwarded in the mail today, and it comes from no place, no other. Blah 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 blah. Weird. In other words, this came from Poland. Any guesses on what you think this is? What does it look like? What does this look like? Is it safety? Is it for the Civic? Is it for the Integra? Is it for me? Well, yeah, but like, what is it? I scored this Sparco circuit seat for $750 on Amazon, and it came from Poland, bro. I guess they put a market where like they'll ship worldwide, and lo and behold, I picked up this seat. 800 shipped. It was $750 shipped, but I opted for like air shipping, so it was like $50 extra. And here we have, bro, brand new Sparco Circuit 2 seat for the Civic. Oh yeah, this was a gift, late Christmas gift from my girlfriend. So babe, future gonna be highly upset what I'm about to say, but I think I'm gonna marry you. I'm so excited. So we're gonna actually install this today, because I've been had seat brackets from PCI for like the last year now, and I finally scored on the seat that was worth it. And yeah, bro. install our new Circuit 2 seat. We have this PCI seat rail, and bro, the best seat rails money could possibly buy is PCI, bro. Brian sells like the best shit for our cars. Like any Honda you want, well, I won't say any, but most golden age Hondas, most Hondas that are used in the sport of like motocross. Hell, he probably even have like Insight shit over there. But dude, Brian over at PCI is the MF GOAT. So shout out to Brian over at PCI. That's about right. See how simple that is, bro? PCI, bro. It's just the best. Now let's start by removing the OEM seat. It should be a total of 4 14mm bolts. And then once that come off, slide that on, and then we should be good. From doing the seat stuff, the big homie driver came through in the new pickup. Oh man, you got, oh, there we go. What size are the TEs? 17s?
17 by 9
Fuck.
22.
Fuck.
I gotta get a front camera kit or have a
Sheesh. That spec is perfect though. This spec is perfect. It's better driving a newer car than the That's what people be like, yo, how can you say that over the Integra? I'm like, bruh,
smooth, man.
Dude, that's how I feel about the Civic. I love that car, dog.
Afraid putting bucket seats in here because it's so comfortable.
It's so comfortable. 6-speed gearbox, hybrid shifter with the 130R Delra knob. Damn, it smells good as hell in here.
Yeah. The interior is clean on that car.
Yeah, it is clean. Especially the seats, boy. What? What you gonna put in here? Like some buckets?
Yeah, for now, Buddy Club. I'm debating if I should do
Buddy
Race
Club
Tech again.
Ooh.
I think of Race Tech.
Race Tech would be fire. Yeah.
But they're out of stock on the regular.
Race Tech would be fire. These CO9 headlights?
Yeah. I just got those.
Sheesh. Oh, see, this is how you do it, people. When you get the damn splitter, make sure you get the thing that attaches so you don't have that open hole. Driver had pulled up yesterday. It got too dark to show you guys the seat and everything, but it is a new day. It's gloomy as hell, but windy. Feels kind of good outside, but check me out. Look at that right there. That is what I like to call just glorious, bro. I mean, yeah, it's here, which, I mean, it's all the way maxed out back. I gotta fix this. You see this right here? This happened yesterday, putting the seat in, but dude, this reminds me of the window net days, bro. Like when I used to have the window net in the Integra, this is what this reminds me of, because like when I'm driving, I don't have to look over, bruh. Having a car, having anxiety in general, and driving around a fucking billboard, essentially, with no tint, it doesn't make sense, bro. It literally does not make sense, but I do it. Wow, this shit's low. Bring the steering wheel lower. It'll be like that. My driving position would be somewhat like, let's see. But that is it. Look at that interior, bro. We got the auto power bar in. We got the Sparco Circuit 2 seat in. Bro, the Civic is coming along, bro. The Civic is coming along. Oh, man. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. Helps the channel, helps all motivation and keep going and stuff of that nature. All that good stuff, brother. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm gone, man. Peace.